Yeah, it will be able to do 3D printing using a 3D pen. It will just move it around and it will print like that. But it will also be able to just use my 3D printer, load it up, load files onto it, and press print. So it can do a combination. I think the 3D printer would probably be superior at printing in high detail than the robot could by hand, but maybe not. Maybe the robot could do just as well. That would be interesting to have them compete to see who can be better at it. But you could also make the argument that having the robot waste his time 3D printing might not be worthy of his time when he can just have the 3D printer 3D print things while he does other stuff. But I mean that's a tough challenge, a tough argument to make. Maybe I mean if the robot can really accurately 3D print things, he can 3D print things to any scale because he can literally move himself around and just keep printing. He could 3D print a whole house. He could 3D print a whole house. He could 3D print the Statue of Liberty, just climbing himself around, printing out scaffolding, deconstructing that, climbing, 3D printing stairs. He could 3D print the Great Pyramids. So, yeah, there's pretty much no limits to the size a robot can 3D print things. Because he's not limited by the form factor of a 3D printer. He doesn't have a form factor. He moves around in three-dimensional space. He can relocate himself.